May 11th is celebrated as the Technology Day in our country and symbolizing the Pokhran 2 experiments that we successfully conducted, and Department of Science and Technology is celebrating that every year, and all the engineering and manufacturing institutions, industries, they are all taking part in this, and we are launching the first Technology Congress, IT's Indian Technology Congress this year 2013, and it will be held between 24th and 25th of July of this year at the Nimans Auditorium, Bangalore. But the theme of the Congress we have kept as towards making India a hub of knowledge and innovation. As we all know that India is known for traditional knowledge and also scholarship going for thousands of years, but now we would like to make that in the modern times we are also somebody to be counted upon, and also to make our mark all over the world globally. So these were now the first effort to bring the academic institutions and also the research institutes and the industries together, and then see where we stand in terms of something innovative and original products emerging from the research, and it has to be scaled up, it has to be also made economically viable, and the market potential has to be assessed and then taken up for further exploitation. So this our meet will be primarily aimed at bringing these stakeholders together and make sure that we are every year we are able to spot something unique and original which is happening in our country, how we are able to exploit the successful outcome of the research activities. But we know that the areas of technology are too many, and something which touches upon the common man, that is the food, shelter and clothing, all these three are the basic needs of the every human being. And then the infrastructure, which is very, very important for the modern economy, whether it is in manufacturing or any other activity, transportation and communication. So all these things touch the everyday life of the people, of common people. So now where we have something original and innovative things have to come, we have to see. So far we have seen some of the Indian made original innovations. For example, the extensive use of the two-wheelers in India, and then which has given way to now the Tata Nano car, based out of studying the necessity of the families to be moving together in a safe environment. At the same time, it is not a fuel guzzler. So that is one thing which you have to see. And similar for the biomedical and the bioengineering related things, biotechnology, how it has to be harnessed for Indian needs, whether it is for the healthcare or for making products for even for chemical process and energy related areas. So this one more area where we have to see. But the environmental damage mitigation is another area where lot of work is going on in the country. So whatever is happening, we have to make sure that the minimum damage to the environment occurs. So this one more area where we have to look at. So the green manufacturing and green growth pathways have to be addressed. Then the impact of the information technology, computing technology and communication together, now it is to be assessed properly. And we can see that not many Indian made original products are there available in this field. So this one more area where made in India products have to appear soon in this area, because the 1200 million people of this country, I think we should have our own homegrown technologies and products in this kind of vital areas. And the area where we are struggling now is the water and energy. I think there is a saying that it is no power is costlier than no power, and also the water, I think the next war will be fought on water, that is everybody is saying. But India is unfortunately having the problem of one side the flood is occurring, at the same time other side is drought is there. So, how to harness the water source of this country and how to make use of the thing for even distribution across the country, that is another major area of work which we are looking for. So, there are many research activities going on in this country, but now we have to put them together and then see in the common man's perspective how these things can become, the ideas can mature to technology, technology to engineering products and successful engineering projects. So, I think this, if it happens during the part of this ITC 2013, I think we will be having the pathway for many such events to come in the future, and from it will, we expect that it will go from strength to strength year after year. All the best. Okay.